Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to free up space on your Zotero account. Now there's two ways you can go about that. You can use a free up space option, which I'm going to show you how to do that, or you can go ahead and upgrade your account to get more space. But before we make that decision to upgrade, I'm going to show you a free workaround that you can use to basically free up space. So once you sign into your account on Zotero, guys, click your profile on the upper right hand side and click on settings. On the left hand side, you want to go down where it says storage and click on that. Now here, you will be able to see how much space you have remaining. As you can see, I have a brand new account and I currently have 300 megabytes, which is what you get from the free account, as you can see here. And these are different plans that shows you how much you have to pay and how much storage you would get. Right, but if you realize that you're running out of space, depending on whichever account that you, depending on whichever plan that you're in, you can try to free up space by simply scrolling down a bit, and you have the option that says purge storage in my library. You click on that and you click on OK again. It's going to try to purge the storage for you. What is it purging and what does it try to clean up? As you can see, it says that it tries to free up space for group libraries you own after you disable file syncing for my library or switching to the web DAV storage. So depending on whichever one you choose, you'll be able to do that as well. So you can go ahead and you can try to use the purge storage. This is going to help you to free up some space and see if that actually helps, guys. If it actually helps you, you'll be able to save a ton of different space here. It might not be a whole ton in terms of size, because you can see that when you really look at these spaces is not massive, but when you think about documents and so forth that you're having on your Zotero account, it could go far away, if you understand what I mean, right? So this is how you can try this purge storage option here to try to free up some space and see if that actually helps you to basically free up some space. If not, then you'd have to just go ahead. If you realize that it's not enough for you, you can go ahead and try to upgrade to one of those plans here if this is what you want, right? But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.